Dear students, today I am going to start exercise 12.3 A first part. In this figure you will see that length is given 5 and breadth is given 3. So area will be length into breadth, that is 5 centimeter into 3 centimeter. 5 is 15 square centimeter. It is square centimeter. In second part, length into breadth, area is length into breadth. Both are given 2, so 2 into 2, that is 4 square centimeter. Now third, in this length is given 6 and breadth is given 4, so area is equal to 6 into 4. 6 4 is 24 square centimeter. Okay. In fourth part, area, to find out area, length into breadth, length is given 2 and breadth is given 6, so 2 into 6, 2 6 is 12 square centimeter. Now fifth part, area, you have to find out length into breadth. Length is given 3 and breadth is also 3, so 3 is 9 square centimeter. Now B part, in this also area is equal to 2 into 3, that is 6. In second, length is 5, breadth is 15, so 5 into 15, 15 5 is 75. Third, area, length and breadth both are 3 3, so 3 into 3, 3 3 is 9. Okay. Now fourth part, in fourth part area is equal to length into breadth, length is 4 and breadth is 1, so 4 into 1, that is 4. In fifth part, area, length into breadth, length is 4, breadth is 2, 4 2 is 8. In the same way here also, C and D parts are excluded, these are not in the syllabus. Okay. Now E part. In E part you see length is given 5 and breadth is given 3. So area is equal to 5 into 3, that is 15 square centimeter. Now second, third, fourth part you can do in the same way. Fifth part you see area is equal to length into breadth. Length is given 4.4 and breadth is 4. So 4.4 into 4, that is 17.6 square meter. Okay. Sixth part, in the same way, area is equal to length into breadth. Length is given 1.5, breadth is given 50 centimeter. It is 1.5 meter and this is 50 centimeter. So change this 50 centimeter into meter. So 50 centimeter into meter means 50 upon 100 meter. So 1.5 meter into 50 upon 100 meter. So it will become 0.5. 1.5 into 0.5, that is 0.75 square meter. Now F part, side of square is given 8 centimeter. Side of square is given 8 centimeter. Area of square, you know, side into side. So 8 into 8, 8 8 is 64. So 64 square centimeter. And second, third parts you can do. Fourth part you see, area of square, side into side. Side is given 2.5, so 2.5 into 2.5. 2.5 into 2.5, when you will multiply you will get 6.25 square centimeter. So that's all for today. Have a nice day. May God bless you all.